abode of alligators shone brightly like a Milky Way of stars in the sky. It was written in Valmiki Ramayana Book 6. Yes, today we are going to see Ramar's Bridge. Come on, let's go. Adam's Bridge, nature made or man made. The Adam's Bridge is a bridge like land formation which connects Sri Lanka and India. It spans 18 miles across the southeastern edge of India in the Palm Strait to the present day Sri Lanka. It still remains as a mystery whether it is natural land formation or, according to Hindu belief, it is made by the Lord Rama on the period of Ramayana, which is believed to happen in Treta Yuga, a period of time that began 21,65,000 years ago. Adam's Bridge in Ramayana. The Rama Setu, a Sanskrit word which means Ram's Bridge, is believed to be built by Lord Rama with his Vanara Sena, army of 8 men, to rescue his wife Sita from the demon king Ravana. In the epic Valmiki Ramayana Book 6 Yuddha Kanda, this bridge is described as Setu Bandhan. In Ramayana, it is also mentioned about the details of how this Rama Setu had been built. According to the Ramayana, the Vanara Sena, the army of 8 men, built a bridge between the Rameshwaram to Sri Lanka with rocks and boulders. The bridge building project is headed by a Vanara named Nala. According to legends, Nala is the son of architect of gods Vishwakarma. The bridge building process has lasted for 5 days and it is mentioned as 100 weeks, 100 yoganas in length. After the bridge was built, Rama with his army of Vanara across the ocean to Lanka. Once there, the great war happened between Ravana and Rama. Lord Rama killed the demon king Ravan and rescued his wife Sita and returned to Ayodhya. Evidences which shows it is man-made structure. The research led by the former director of the Geological Survey of India, Dr. Badri Narayanan, concluded that the Adam's Bridge aka Rama Setu was man-made. Dr. Badri Narayanan and his team drilled 10 boreholes along the alignment of Adam's Bridge. They discovered about 6 meters below the surface. He and his team found a consistent layer of calcareous sandstone, corals and boulder-like materials. His team was surprised when they discovered a layer of loose sand some 4 to 5 meters further down and then hard rock formations below that. A team of scuba divers went down to physically examine the bridge. According to their observations, the boulders that they observed were not composed of a typical marine formation. Dr. Badri Narayanan and his team concluded that materials from either shore were placed upon the sandy bottom of the water to form the causeway. Satellite view of Rama Setu Bridge. Satellite view image of Rama Setu or Adam's Bridge was captured by NASA. NASA images discovered ancient bridge between India and Sri Lanka. Why Rama Setu is named as Adam's Bridge? Rama Setu is not only attached with Hindu mythology, it also has its mythical roots in Abrahamic religions such as Christianity and Islam. As per the Islamic and Christian legends as mentioned in the Bible and Quran, Adam, the first man, travelled in this natural bridge to reach the Adam's Peak in Sri Lanka. The Adam's Peak in Sri Lanka bears the footprint measuring 5 feet and 7 inches by 2 feet and 6 inches. Muslims and Christians believe that this footprint is that of Prophet Adam. As per Prophet Muhammad's sayings, Prophet Adam was 60 cubits, that is 90 feet tall. Many Muslim scholars believed that the first man, Adam, along with Eve, taken out from paradise by the God and kept in Eden's peak. Because of the momentum of his landing on Earth was so strong that it is believed to have cast impression of his footprint on the rocks. Adam's Bridge, a name believed to have been given to it by an East Indian company cartographer, he used the name Adam's Bridge in his map in 1804 by considering the Abrahamic belief over the bridge. What science says about Ramasetu? Science believes this structure is natural and not made by human activity. There are certain theories which claims the reason of the bridge-like structure. The Adam's Bridge is a large tombolo. Tombolo is natural bridge-like land connection which connects land across the sea. One theory mentions that this bridge-like structure was formerly the world's largest tombolo that split into a chain of shoals by a slight rise in mean sea level of a few thousand years ago. I hope you liked today's topic, that is Rama's Bridge. For more interesting topics, please subscribe to our channel